Today we will learn how to make shorts out of old jeans. This is really easy to make. You only need 5 things. You will need an old pair of jeans, scissors for cutting, a pen for marking, a thread that matches your jeans, and a sewing needle. There are just 2 basic steps: cut and sew. If you want to make it even more fancy, you can add embroidery, lace, or other decorations. You can also cut them a bit longer and make capris. The best way to measure the length is to put it on and mark it with a pen. Fold the jeans in the middle and put the marked leg on top. Make another mark 1.5 inches below the first mark. We need the extra length for folding. We are cutting both legs together, so make sure that they are aligned properly. Fold it as so. Before we start sewing, we need another fold on top like this. You can also use pins or an iron to keep the folds in place. I just did it with hands. Now we are ready to sew the edges. That's it. Our shorts are ready.